everyone, let's begin our new video. Let's learn to spell birthday. B I R T H D A Y. Ho B I R T H D A Y. Birthday. Let's learn to spell boat. B O A T. Hooray! B O A T. Boat. Every day is a chance to learn something new. Box. B O X. B O X. Box. Good job. You are doing so perfect. Boy. B O Y. B O Y. Boy. Good job. Good job, everyone. Bread. B R E A D. B R E A D. Bread. Learning is like a magic. The more you learn, the more you get. Brother. B R O T H E R. B R O T H E R. Brother. Outstanding. Learning is just an amazing. Learn more, get more. Cake. C A K E. C A K E. Cake. Car. C A R. Hooray! C A R. Car. Outstanding. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.